What are you doing now?
I'm punching the bag.
What are you doing now?
I'm ice skating.
What are you doing now?
I'm skateboarding.
What are you doing now?
I'm riding a motorcycle.
What are you doing now?
I'm roller skating.
What are you doing now?
I'm running on a treadmill.
What are you doing now?
I'm lifting weights.
What are you doing now?
I'm stretching my leg.
What are you doing now?
I'm boxing.
What are you doing now?
I'm skipping rope.
What are you doing now?
I'm surfing.
What are you doing now?
I'm snowboarding.
What are you doing now?
I'm rowing a boat.
What are you doing now?
I'm diving into the water.
What are you doing now?
I'm doing Aikido practice.
What are you doing now?
I'm fencing with my coach.